What's good, people? I'm back with another video. It feels like it's been quite a long time since I've done this. Um, yeah, Puma season is officially over for me. Um, I'm not sure how long it's over for. I'll see how long it's over for. So I'm gonna take a little break. So I'm saying it's over, but it's not really. I'm just taking a little break from Pumas, back to Nikes, and I think it's now time to start another collection or add on to the collection I already have of these. You should already know by the title, no clickbait titles at the moment. Don't ever think there will be any, not sure. We got some Air Max 95s. Yep. So the colorway is black aquamarine dash turf orange, noir orange turf aquamarine. I believe that's in a different language. If I'm saying aquamarine a bit wrong, please don't roast me, man. Sometimes I can't pronounce certain words correctly, even though English is my first language. Yeah, but enough of that. So size UK 10, 29 centimeters, US 11, European 45. Let's get into this. Oh, I need to say shout out to whoever threw this box around and destroyed it as well. Yeah, big up them, man. It's not like I don't need the box. Let's get into it, people. Woo. Oh yes, these, I have to say, is one of my favorite pairs of the year, actually. Well, apart from a few pairs I couldn't get, these are amazing, man. I love the way the grey is. The orange hits. The funny thing is, I don't even know what I'm going to wear these with. So if you know what I should wear these with, comment below. But I don't even know what I'll wear these with. Probably just grey jeans, white t-shirt, summer vibes. But these I had to buy. Just one thing I don't like is white liner, white insole. This bit being white, just because this bit is the most used bit of the shoe, except for obviously the underneath. But I always like a dark colored lining, just because it doesn't really get messy like a white lining. So I'd rather have like black, grey, navy blue, red, orange, anything, but like not a light color, so it wouldn't be white, beige, them type of colors, cream. I don't like white, beige, cream, them. So it should always be like black or grey or any other color that's decent enough to just kind of keep it clear. So I believe this is the aquamarine color. Really nice color. They only did a bit of aquamarine on these, so it's just on the tick here on the Air Max logo, lace tips, and just inside, but no one can see inside, so it's really minimal. So even there's no more aquamarine. That's just about it. What is a bit different is they've put a bit of orange pink on the heel tab. I'm not sure why there's no pink anywhere else. They could have done it aquamarine or whatever, but I have no complaints. I don't know if I like it or I don't. It's okay, I guess. It's just a bit weird they did that because there's no pink anywhere else. So it's got the orange heel tab things, black laces. Then here, like say this, if this was black, I would be much happier because the lining is all white, and even if it was grey, just something that wouldn't get so dirty, because we wear our trainers, and it's got like a paint speckled midsole. I like that touch. I really like that touch. So the same thing here. This is actually like a suede. This is I don't know what to explain the material as. It's one of them materials. This bit is a bit different as well. It's like this is like a 3M type material. That does that as well. And then this is a leather. So it is quite, three different things. So it's got the suede, Then the material again in another color, and then a bit of leather. I don't have any complaints. I just want to see if that holds up well. I like the bit of suede. Anyone that knows me knows I'm not a fan of suede, as it does mess up and it does discolor quickly. That's one of the reasons I stopped wearing Valentino runners, because the suede just, the color goes quick. I'm more of a leather trainers guy. Leather. The more leather, or the more like, this is like a nylon type, not nylon. I really need to do my Googles, man. I sound like an idiot. But yeah, I'm a leather person, so leather toe box, very happy about. Nice shade. And then yeah, I really like them. Leave a comment if you like them yourself. As always, I will be putting an on-foot video, so I'm going to be putting an on-foot video of these at the end of this video, so just after I'm done talking my nonsense. And then I'll be doing another one separate, so I do know people like to sometimes just watch an on-foot, so you can go to that. Sometimes people watch the whole video, which is very rare. I do check my analytics. Yeah, so tell me what you think of them. Tell me what you'd wear them with. Also, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get to 5,000 by the end of the year. I've hit 1,111 the last time I checked. Yeah, we need to get that up to 5,000 ASAP. But these I really like personally. 100% gonna wear them. Just don't know what with. And yeah, it's easy to just say, oh, tracksuit, great tracksuit. No, I want to wear these something wow. But yeah, leave your comments below. Tell me if you like them. You can't go wrong with a pair of Air Max 95s. And hopefully I will be coming back with a lot more Air Max 95 pickups, as I think I'm just going to start buying a lot more of them. It's my favorite Air Max model. I'd say my second favorite Nike, apart from the Air Force One, which is my all-time favorite. This is my favorite Air Max model by far. I'm not a fan of 97s. I'm not a fan of 98s. I do like Air Max 1s, but there's just something about a 95 and the comfort, the colorways. Nike always releasing amazing colorways. And yeah, I do actually have a few more pairs on the way. I didn't want to reveal that, but I might as well. So I do have a few more pairs on the way, so I'll definitely be reviewing those as soon as those land. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, people.